start a new component drawing, start a new sketch. I would make it on the XY plane. Make origin visible and project point. Pop over to AutoCAD and copy profile. Make sure to capture the insertion point across to save it into the member library. Return to Inventor to paste the profile into the new file. Move the insertion point to the origin, so Inventor will know the handle point when you are using Frame Generator. This is an important step in the procedure. Exit sketch mode. Then extrude the profile. Specify the variable length equals 1000. I would then apply the material properties for this component. Here I am checking and showing you the variable being added inside Inventor. I am also changing the length into a custom variable in the event it is being used as an iPart. Note that iPart will not be covered in this video. I will need to save the file to progress further. Of course, I will also need the part number to be captured for the definition. In this case, it is safer to copy it rather than me typing it in. You may want less keyboard typing to avoid any error. Haha. Now, select Manage tab to start your custom part structure or shape definition. I have created a joinery folder to hold my custom profiles. It is important to pick the handle point so that the frame generator will give you that point as an insertion point when generating it. This will save you a lot of hassle, and the skeletal sketch can be kept very simple. This is a very important step in the procedure. Base length information is linked to variable length. Note that my custom library has been renamed to round. You may have your own name or maintain the standard library name. I have also added a subfolder called Joinery for the custom profiles. you may enter all the specific information for this particular profile. After that, you can publish it into your library. Your custom profile with the exact insertion point is ready for use within Frame Generator. Good luck, and thanks for watching. Oh, please like our video.